Oh, so someone actually asked, do I need to have my property completely paid off to apply for a HELOC? So the answer to that is no. You can have, let's say, for example, a mortgage for $200,000, and let's assume you paid off $100,000 off of that mortgage. And you can actually go to a bank, go to any lender and request to get a HELOC of that 100,000 in equity that you paid off. But it's not just off of that 100,000, it's also off of the appreciation. So let's say, for example, if your property at the time you bought it was 200,000, but then over the years it appreciated and it's now 250, and you pay down 100,000, then that means you have $150,000 to play with. You can go to a lender and say, hey, this is how much I have in equity. How much are you willing to lend me? So depending on the bank, they can give you a 75% a 75 LTV or an 80 LTV. So it all depends on the guidelines that each lender has. So again, I encourage you to shop around just to see what bank offers you the best deal.